Welcome to Family Gardening.
Swiss chard, a leafy green packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants.
In this video, we will show how to collect and save Swiss chard seeds. We let one of the plants bolt and grow tall so that we can collect seeds. At the end of the season, the plant is now ready with seeds. Daddy is now removing the plant and carefully cutting the stems with the seeds. We further cut the stems and put them on this tray and dried them under the sun for a day. I removed the seeds from the stem. It is time-consuming but worth the effort. The seeds are now ready. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.